Wait, look at those orange bills. They're tiny. So those are babies of that black duck. I mean, the one that's not a duck. Really bright orange bills. Oh yeah, there's the mommy way.
I'm not angry anymore.
Way out there. There's the mommy. The white bill, black. Whereas the babies have orange. Yeah, it's like the wood duck we saw earlier. It's the first time we've seen these kind of babies here. Yeah? Such a cute baby. There we go. Oh, look, it's saying hi to mommy. You see the bird, the baby saying hi to the mommy? Boy, look at they're talking. See, the mommy catches something and gives it to the baby.
All duck is squeaky, not big enough. Daddy duck, you need. Daddy duck's really fast.
Wow, look, the mommy duck just reaches down, grabs something, and gives it to the baby.
Daddy duck's really fast. That's daddy duck.
Wow, that baby duck's getting lots of num-num.
That's a daddy duck. That's a daddy duck.